Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the AIDogeXLM token. So this token is on the Stellar XLM blockchain. This is a brand new token getting a brand new big central exchange listing starting tomorrow, May 26th. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this video here. So the AIDoge token is being listed tomorrow, May 26, 10 o'clock UTC time on a central exchange called MEXC Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an MEXC Global account, I do have an MEXC referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that MEXC referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search AIDogeXLM, all one word, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So, like I said, this token is on the Stellar XLM blockchain. If you go to their webpage, DOGE-AI.org, you can find all the information on there. They do have a section here that will, where you can click on it and you can swap XLM to Doge. That will take you over to the stellarx.com/swap page, where you can, if you want to get this token before it gets listed on MEXC Global, you can get it that way. Or, the easy way is just to wait until it gets listed on MEXC Global, 10 o'clock UTC time, and then get the token that way. But that is another way you can get this token off of their the swap on their webpage there. So, AIDoge is an asset on the Stellar network. 100% of the tokens belong to the community. By holding AIDoge tokens, holders will be receiving daily dividends and weekly airdrops. AIDoge will be burned at about 1% per week, up to 30% total supply. So they do have a block explorer on here. Let's see if we can open that up here. Okay, so it says here, let me click on that actually. Okay, there it is, perfect. So it takes you over to stellar.expert/explorer, keeps going there, and it says total supply of this token is 94,699,915,861 tokens. It's probably a weird number like that because it probably was 100 billion. They did some burns as a deflationary token. Now we're at 94.6 billion. So they have, let's see here, overall payment volumes on their Explorer, all these things. So you can check out, the current prices on here, trading volume, all that you could find on MEXC Global's announcement page, which you can find on MEXC Global's Twitter at MEXC_global. They also have a link to their webpage that I just mentioned. And this token does not have a Twitter for some reason, listed on the page anyways. Not that I could find. Maybe there's one on their... Oh, there is one here. Nope, that takes you over to a Telegram. So all they have is a Telegram at AIDoge_XLM. Their Telegram's doing very well. 15,606 subscribers on their Telegram. And besides that, all the information is on their webpage. So shows you how to get a wallet too if you don't have an XLM wallet on the Stellar blockchain. It shows you how to do that. You can click connect your wallet. There's the dividend payout section here where they talk about that. But you would need your Stellar wallet and all that stuff linked to be able to do that. And yeah, so it says subscribe for airdrops. So you can click subscribe, and it says AIDoge airdrop number 2 for holders, and it has a countdown. So it's in 7 days, 46 minutes, 45 seconds, and it counts down till the next airdrop. So that's kind of a cool idea there. So it says AIDoge is on the Stellar network, 100% community driven. It says trusted by 21,000 plus holders. I wonder if that's true there. Does this have 21? Does it say on there? It should say amount of holders on their Block Explorer here, but for some reason it does, or does it say holders here? Supply and accounts. It's got to be listed somewhere on here. Yeah, it doesn't really have an exact. I'd have to scroll through this forever to find it, but anyways, it says 21,000 holders on their webpage, so who knows if that's true though. So it says, what is AIDoge? Well, it's a deflationary token on the Stellar network. It will be used by the AIDoge ecosystem applications. So again, yeah, they started with a total supply of 100 billion tokens. And it's a community-driven token. It also is a necessary key to unlock future chapters of the AIDoge story. So what they're saying is there's going to be utilities in the future, and you will be using this token for the utilities, basically is what it's saying. AIDoge will be burned at about 1% per week. So then they have the numbers here, like 21 billion AIDoge airdrop to the community, 29 billion AIDoge dividends for AIDoge holders at 150% annual percentage yield, 10 billion tokens for development, 10 billion tokens for, or 20 billion tokens for liquidity, 20 billion tokens for marketing and central exchange listings like MEXC Global. So it says the trust here, no 51% attack. AIDoge cannot be attacked with 51% attack at this, and it makes us invulnerable. Any applications built on top of Stellar with our tokens can be easily audited by any developer in matters of seconds. This makes AIDoge token on the Stellar blockchain more trustworthy than Dogecoin. Now, if you look at their rating, it says 5.9. Now, what is that out of, though? Yeah, it shows the rating there of what they rated it on in a little graph. I mean, it doesn't have a perfect rating. So, I mean, although it is rated, you still have to review the audit. And it says, move money quickly and easily without fees, low fees, fast transactions. And it says it's friendly and green is why they chose the XLM blockchain. And there you go. That's all the information on this token. They don't really have any utility yet. I mean, the Doge AI name is popular. We'll see how well this token does, though. I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where we go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.